Sensibility and practicality define the 2012 Chrysler 200. With fewer than 25,000 miles on the odometer, this four-door sedan prioritizes comfort, safety, and convenience. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and a 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine. Chrysler infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as delay-off headlights, speed-sensitive wipers, a built-in garage door transmitter, a trip computer, heated door mirrors, and remote keyless entry. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Side curtain airbags deploy in extreme circumstances, shielding you and your passengers from collision forces. This vehicle has achieved certified pre-owned status by passing a comprehensive certification process, including a rigorous 125-point inspection. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.